Imagine, if you will, a cosmic ballet. Stars pirouetting through the dark abyss, galaxies spinning on an unseen axis. But what tells these celestial bodies where to go? What invisible hand guides them? Welcome to the world of gravitational waves. In the grand scheme of the cosmos, gravitational waves are the conductors. These are ripples in the fabric of spacetime, first predicted by Einstein over a century ago. Like a stone thrown into a pond, massive events in the universe can cause these waves, sending out ripples that travel at the speed of light. For years, these waves were just theory, an elegant idea, but now we've observed them. Cosmic cataclysms, like the colliding of two black holes, have given us our first taste of these interstellar symphonies. Gravitational waves are more than just an abstract concept. They're a new way to see the universe, a fresh perspective on the grand cosmic dance. They've opened our eyes to the unseen choreography of the cosmos, to the silent music of the stars. So next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember, you're not just looking at stars. You're witnessing a ballet, guided by gravitational waves, the invisible hands of the universe. And that, my friends, is truly epic.